Hello friends, so now we have to use by the help of NAND gate and NOR gate we are implement different gates or basic gates or special purpose gate. So basically we have NAND gate, so we are convert NAND gate into NOT gate, NAND gate into AND gate, NAND gate into OR gate, NAND gate into NOR gate. See here, by the help of NAND convert into NOT, it's very easy. You have to just short inputs. By the help of NAND gate to AND gate, it's very easy because we have NAND gate. NAND gate converted to AND gate, it's mean that you have to NAND gate remove or add one NOT. So it will be AND. Because we know if we have AND and we are implementing one NOT, so it will be NAND. So again, NAND, you have to implement one NOT, so it will be AND. Next is NAND to OR. NAND to OR, it's not very big deal, but just understand NAND to OR, we have to change sign. NAND we are having into or OR we are having plus. So we are convert that sign into to plus. And the next one is NAND to NOR. If we are convert NAND to OR, that's conversion, we are just implement one NOT gate, so it will be NOR gate. Because OR inversely NOR. So whatever output coming from NAND to OR, you just implement one NOT gate, so it will be NOR gate. Okay. So see, first, here we are write number one, y is equal to a bar. We want to y is equal to a bar. It is a NOT gate, yes. But what we have y is equal to a into b bar. It is an AND gate. So we are right b is equal to a. B is equal to a. So equation become a into a bar. A into a bar. If we are consider a is equal to 1, so it will be y is equal to a bar. Simply. It is very simply. Just again I am going to understand you. Y is equal to a into b bar. It is an AND gate. We are consider b is equal to a. So it will equation become a y is equal to a into a bar. So we are given the value of a is equal to 1. So it will be a bar only. Okay. So by the help of this NAND gate, we are convert into NOT gate. Okay. So see the next. It is not. So next is we have to convert NAND gate into AND gate. So we want y is equal to a into b. It is AND gate. But we have NAND gate y is equal to a into b bar. See here a into b bar. If we are adding one NOT gate in front of this NAND gate, so it will be going to AND gate, because we know if we have AND gate and we are put one NOT, so it will be NAND. And if we have one NAND and we put one NOT, so it will be AND. Okay. So y is equal to a into b bar. We are implementing one extra bar. So it is a y is equal to a into b double bar. So double bar we are able to write as a into b. A into b. We know that a double bar is equal to a or b double bar is equal to b. So we are write as a into b double bar is equal to a into b. So by the help of this we are implement, by the help of NAND gate we are just make AND gate. It is very simple. There is no any different process you have to do. You just implement one NOT gate and convert your NAND gate into AND gate. So next is we want OR gate, y is equal to a plus b, and we have NAND gate. So NAND gate is equal to y is equal to a into b bar. See here, separate one NAND not a, separate one NAND not b. It's mean that we are using one separate NOT gate, but that NOT gate is implemented by NAND gate, and we are implementing one separate not b gate, but that b gate is implemented by NAND NOT gate. Okay. So see here, we want y is equal to a plus b, we have y is equal to a into b bar. See here, a bar into b bar and whole bar. I repeat, one a bar, it is a NOT gate of NAND gate A bar. This is again B bar, it is again NOT gate of NAND gate. So A bar into B bar whole bar is equal to, we are right, we are just cut this bar, so this bar change this sign, so we are cut this bar, so it will be a double bar plus. Why this plus is coming? We know that if we are cut bar, so it will be make change of sign. So see here, we are cut this bar, so this bar will be a into double bar plus b into double bar. So we know that we write this a double bar plus b bar is equal to a plus b bar, and we are getting our OR gate. We are getting our OR gate. Try to understand. It is very basic concept. You just focus on this equation. There is a one a bar separate, one b bar separate. It is the NOT gate. NOT gate A, NOT gate B of NAND gate, and putting one again NAND gate. So it will be, we are cutting this bar, so it will be a double bar plus b double bar. So we have to write as a plus b bar. So in this way you have to convert your NAND gate into OR gate. Whatever output you have to coming from this NAND gate, you have to just implement one again NOT gate here. So that OR gate will be converted into NOT gate. I repeat, whatever output you have, you just implement one NOT gate here, so it will be NOR gate. See here, this is the last conversion. We want y is equal to a plus b bar. It is a NOR gate, obviously. We have NAND gate y is equal to a into b bar. Again, I write here separate NAND not a gate, NAND not b gate. So this separate NOT gate 1, this separate NOT gate 2, it is again having one bar. So we have able to write as a, again this same process which we are done in last one. So so a bar into b bar whole bar is equal to a double bar plus b double bar is equal to a plus b. We now get this OR gate. So just add one NOT gate. So it will become a plus b become a plus b bar. It is nothing but the NOR gate. Simple NOR gate. So in this way you have to convert your NAND gate into NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate. Thank you. See here, this one is the, by the using of NAND gate we are convert into NOT gate. Okay, so this is the NAND gate. We are short two inputs, so it is only one input A, and this convert into A bar. Next is we are having one NAND gate. In front of NAND gate we are just put one NOT gate, but that NOT gate is not a ordinary NOT gate. The NOT gate which is implemented by the NAND gate. So this is the NOT gate which is implemented by the NAND gate. So we know that we have NAND gate A into B bar. We can increment one more bar. So it is a A into B double bar. So we are write as a into B. So this is implemented by this circuit. So this is the NAND gate, and the NAND gate we are converted into AND gate. So next one is, see here we already seen in last theoretical part, but we are just implement how that expression will be implemented. See here one A naught. So this is the one A naught, A bar, and this is the B bar. It is only one input. So this is the A bar, this is the B bar, and this joined by the help of NAND. So it is a NAND. So output of this we are retrieve as a plus B. Why? Because we write A bar into B whole bar is equal to A double bar plus B double, or A double bar plus B double bar we are write as a plus B bar. That's why the output of this whole circuit is coming as a OR gate. Is coming as a OR gate. And see again the same way, A bar, B bar. This both NOT gate we are joined by the help of NAND gate. So here the output is OR gate. Here the output is OR gate. We are add one NOT gate here. We are adding here one NOT gate. So it will be NOR. Simple. Very simply. Try to understand again. I am just focusing on these 4 headings. When you have to convert NAND gate into NOT gate, you just short these 2 inputs. So it will be going to NOT gate. Next, NAND gate to AND gate. It means that you have to implement one NOT gate in front of NAND gate. So it will be AND gate. And next, NAND gate to OR gate. Here you have to implement one A bar NOT, one B bar NOT. They join this both NOT into NAND. So the output become a OR gate. And whatever you have implemented in this 3rd stage, you have to just again connect one NOT gate. So it will be NOR gate. So in this way you have to convert your NAND gate into NOT, AND, OR and NOR. Thank you very much.